So let's talk about the question that everyone's asking right now. Can you still make money with AI books in 2026? Because if you scroll through YouTube or Reddit right now, you'll see the same argument over and over again. AI publishing is dead, Amazon's saturated, or you can't make money anymore. And I get it. The gold rush days of copy and pasting ChatGPT books and uploading 10 a week that'll actually make money are definitely over. But if you can actually understand why, then you can see that the opportunity is far from gone. It's just evolved. In this video, I'm going to answer the question, can you still make money in 2026? If that sounds good, smash that like button and let's dive in. All right, part one, the market shift. The truth is, the people who are failing are the ones that are still treating this like a quick cash grab. But the ones who are winning are treating this like a real business. They're using AI to speed up research, structure, and editing, not to replace creativity or quality. Think of it like this. In 2023 and 2024, AI was a novelty. People could publish low-effort books and make sales simply because the competition was clueless. Now, in 2026, readers are smarter, algorithms are stricter, and AI content is everywhere. So what does that mean for you? It means there's still huge opportunity, but only if you build real systems and provide genuine quality that outlasts the trends. Which brings me to part two, where the money actually is. The real money now comes from three things. Number one, targeted niches, finding specific problems and creating focused, useful books that actually solve them. Number two, reader experience, making your AI generated content sound emotional, human, and structured like it came from experience. And finally, number three, systems, being able to consistently produce, optimize, and relaunch content. If you have those three things, then you could still make real money in this. Some of my books are still earning consistent royalties months after release, and that's simply because the system works. And if you want to see exactly how I built that system step by step, from niche research to humanizing AI drafts to ranking on Amazon, I break it all down inside my AI publishing course. The link is below. And now finally, part three, the 2026 mindset. In 2026, the real winners are the ones who build trust. Amazon's algorithm is smarter than ever. It rewards engagement, good reviews, and long-term consistency. That means slow, steady growth beats 20 uploads a day and pray every single time. So yeah, you can still make money with AI books in 2026, but it's no longer a hack. It's a skill. If you treat AI like a shortcut, it'll fail you. But if you treat it like a tool, it can absolutely change your life. Thank you so much for watching. If you got value, smash that like button and I will see you in the next video.